What is good, guys? Berserk here, and seeing if Switchblade can solo the tier 11, because your boy's free to play, and I cannot solo tier 16 or 15. So we're going to be taking this off. Actually, no, hold on. Switchblade first. These other two guys are for buff, just so you guys know. And because I wanted the rewards. Okay. And I have to bring Goku for air because I can't really beat this because he's not, he can't hit airs and I don't have Koichi, so I'm gonna have to go off this. It's regain enemies too, so it's gonna be a little tough without Berserker. Okay, I'm gonna play, bro, since his guy's range is crazy, put him at this pool. And then I'll do the buff. Okay, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Okay. And then I'll paste like the 3 right here. Cause you're, I'm built different like that, bro. Come on, bro. Oh, okay. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Wait, what? Bro, I messed that up. Okay. $2 million? Oh my gosh. Bro, let me get up here, bro. Bro, I'm gonna hurt myself. Actually, I'm just gonna put right here. And Goku's range is massive. So, yeah. Okay, boom. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade him a little. Cause I'm not gonna be able to. Oh shoot. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Okay, we got that above down. Okay, we got this. I hope. Nobody, I mean. Ow. Thank you. Thank you for the soup. Okay, guys, my mom came in here to give me some soup because you already know your boy's hungry. Death dice, bro. Look at that jump, bro. Okay, we're good now. We can upgrade Goku because come on. Hit. I actually think that if he hits this guy, Zara, come here. Bro. Guys. I'm gonna max this one out. Jeez, bro, what? I'm gonna get him the energy bomb, and then... Why does he not have the buff? That should hit him. Okay. No, flying. Yeah. Guys, I gotta buff these ones too, cause like this one's good already. Oh yeah, I forgot about that spa, bro. Or SPA. Bro, holy guacamole. Okay, I think we're good now. I think we could just wait to upgrade this guy. And then, let's try the soup, guys. Good. If any of y'all are wondering what soup I'm eating, it is just Ghana soup, but homemade from my mom, cause like you already know it's bussin', bro. And yes, my mom is Mexican. Summer's getting low just off of... Oh, okay. Okay, I know that I can't finally upgrade this, but it's good right now. 2 million. Bro, imagine this guy with unique, with Griffin buff, with Irwin buff, and with this buff, the update buff. That is like gonna be crazy. But yes, okay, we're doing really good. I'm just gonna place like a couple Gokus. Guys, just so you guys know that I'm not cheating, because I know I can beat it. I'm hitting him only fly. We're gonna win, guys. Because, like, I'm built different. Guys, once I get unique on this guy, which probably I never will, I will try to do to see if he can beat the tier 15 one. Wait, let's see how big this guy's range is. He's basically hitting. Yeah, he's hitting the entire. Okay. Look. 6 million. Obviously, I need Goku because I cannot kill him with this. And look, Goku and them are not damaging anybody except. Wait, dismembered? Is there like? Does he have like a? Does he have like a move just like Aizen's, where like when they get low, they get dismembered and then die? Or like, what is that? So y'all type in comments what that is, cause I don't know. Kill this stupid bunny, bro. Well, could kill the boss. The crit is so good. I got the new relic, but I was really lucky and I got 41 plus crit. I think that's the highest you could get. Don't worry about this unserving mascots. Cause we don't. Yeah, if. Yeah, bro, we're good. We are destroying this boss. This guy's multi-hit is crazy. Watch. Watch his ability. Like, look at that, bro. Okay. Also, bro, what? He just... Bro, look, Goku did no damage to him whatsoever. Okay, now since you guys say can't cheat, I'll sell these. Just so you guys say I'm not cheating by using Goku. I actually want the challenge to be fair. Yes. Can Switchblade with no mythical trait truly beat this? Can he truly beat this? I think he can. That's also regained, so like only 400, bro. Get out of here, bro. We are good. This was really easy. For y'all saying, oh, it's only tier 10. Bro, I'm free to play. And look at my units, bro. I have one big trait, and it's on friggin' Goku. Yeah, exactly. I have, like, if y'all, like, you know, like, start subbing to me, I can make money off of YouTube, then maybe I could do the tier 16 with a unique, like everybody else. Like, it's impossible to not beat it without a unique. Unless you're with other people. But yeah, it looks like we won. That is it, guys. This is so easy, bro. Okay, guys, that is going to be the end of our video. Subscribe, like, comment what you want me to do next, and yeah.